good.
Nice, hello.
Andres Oblador, nagmamadali. Side step, no good. Kick out to Merchant, no good. Number 9, short. Rebound by Enzo. Yao with the floater, no good. Number 14.
Atakin mo yan.
Third across by Simon. And up to number 14.
Nice. Defense. Okay, bangga, okay. Bangga.
Merchant, kick out. Andres. Steal.
Binge.
By Merchant. Floater, wala. Rebound by number 9. No good.
Binge. Taas kamay.
Pass. Binigay sa loob. Steal.
Sige, bawi.
Andres.
Okay, taas mo kamay mo. Ball. Okay, help them.
No volley basketball. Number 16. Oopsie, steal by Enzo. Oh. Pass to Merchant. One extra pass to Enzo. Timeout. Save here. Nobody. Time remaining 6 minutes and 51 seconds.
Move. Come on.
Back to the ball game. Oopsie. No good. Oh. Possessing. To Yao. Attack the basket. Basket. Ay. Enzo Yao.
Move. Game, lapit na konti. Teka lang, dahan, game.
Oopsie. Nagaw.
Game, lumapit ka sa bola.
Nipo. Out of bounds. Rep. Kaya rep. Thank you.
Run.
Steal. Bounce pass to number 9. That's Legarda. Number 11. To Poblador. Binigay sa corner. Jump shot. 2 points by number 14.
Bangga. Layo mo.
Sese binigay. Uy, nabitawan. Number 14, pass number 8. Duan to number 14. Pass number 29. No good. Ibang by Enzo.
Game, surbol, game! Surbol!
Number
Magka,
30.
lapit sa ibabaw.
Pass to Enzo. Guys sa corner. Number 30. One step ahead. And that's a traveling violation. Time remaining. Last 4 minutes.
Ayun, move. Tulong, ikot, tara. Takot. Screen. Go, get the ball. Help him. Lapit.
Number 30, binigay sa corner. Number 14, fake. Oy! Nakalusot. Si number 14.
Game. Depensa, lapit. Ang layo ba? Yeah, pressure.
Number 30. Merchant. What extra pass? Paulino. No good. Wala pa rin.
Lapit.
Rebound. Number 14. Number 16. No good.
Pressure. Yeah, pressure pa yan. Pressure pa.
Merchant. 4-3. No good. Out of bounds. Time remaining. 2 minutes and 15 seconds.
Cut! Pressure! Huwag ka malayo ha! Okay, pressure mo! Pressure! Okay, pressure mo! Pressure! Lapit! Magkagit! Nice!
No good.
Okay! Hold the ball! Okay, dala! Lapit, Dave! Shot! Evan, come on. Evan, take the shot. Evan, shot mo na, Evan. Bangga. Yeah, pressure mo. Pressure, nice play. Yes, agad. Run it. Yes, agad. Nice shot. Pressure. Cut, Dave, cut. Set the ball. Nice, okay. Cut, Dave. No foul. Okay, pressure mo ha, yung guardia. Okay, pressure. Pressure ang bangga.
Wait lang.
Alright, end of the third quarter. Official scores 37 and 19. Tayo na daw na sa ating fourth and a final quarter. Let's go, fourth quarter. Let's go, Xavier. Sese. Steal para sa Nobody. Number 12. All the way, basket. No good. Sese to Merchant. Let's go, Xavier Navalli. Habulin. Let's go. Oopsie, steal by Merchant.
Jesus. Jesus, kaya.
Pass. Oh, no good. Number 30. Timeout. Xavier Navalli.
Okay. Pag pinapressure sila, tulungan mo. Pag pinapressure sila, tulungan mo ha. Tulungan mo. Huwag mo alisan. Mamaya ka na tumawid. Ayan o. Tulong kayo dyan. Okay ka. Okay. Tigas ang bola. Basa dito rin. Yes! Basa dito rin po.
Basa.
Basa dito. Basa rin. Magagalit yan dyan. Napapilok na yun, papilok yun yung bata.
Official timeout po tayo. Wala naman.
Jake, tigas ang pasa ha. Ang butang pasa mo eh, tigas. Jake, Jake. Bola. Go! Ayun na, go! Hingi! Huwag ka tumawid! Hingi! Tulong! Hingi ka muna!
Merchant all the way! shot, basket. Xavier, no bali. Depensahan, number 11. Pinasa corner. Out of bounds. So basket. Oh, sorry, that's number 7. Hernandez. Number 16. Running shot, basket.
Pressure, Gabe. Pressure mo. Bangga. Okay. Guys, second one.
Tumira, wala. Oopsie, steal. Number 40 to number 21, no good.
Combo na!
Steal.
Yes!
Number 10 all the way.
Kuha bola.
At Eslao. Pass number 2. Jump shot, basket.
Pressure, lapit. Pressure, lapit. Bangga. Lapit.
Sa corner, jump shot, no good. And out of bounds.
Dave. Bigyan ng bola. Lapit.
Texon
Tulong.
coming
Dave,
in at
tulungan
number
mo.
77
Lapit.
para sa
Lapit.
Xavier
Go.
School San Juan. Number 18. Nasa corner, bad pass. Let's go Xavier Novali. Oops, correction, same ball. Xavier Novali.
Cut.
Number 12. No good. Ayun na. Pass to number 21. No good.
Pressure, Dave. Pressure. Pressure.
Back over. Pass number 21.
Pressure
Number
ka. Lapit,
11.
lapit.
Ko. Number 77. Pass to Texon. And that's a 24-second shot clock violation.
Dave, bigyan mo bola, Dave. Huwag ka tumawid. Huwag ka tumawid. Huwag ka tumawid. Tawid ka ng tawid.
1 minute and 11 seconds.
Na.
Number 18. Handoff. Oh, steal. Oh. Number 11 all the way. Yes, sir.
Mamaya, tumawid, Dave. Mamaya.
53-23. Number 18. Oh, another steal. Nice pass. Napalakas ang paso doon ni Texon.
Mamaya, tumakbo. Kaya, sige.
Last 32 seconds.
Mamaya mo lang, Dave.
Nice fake. Boom. Rebound by Palino. Last 17 seconds. 14. Take a shot. No good. Rebound by number 77. Short. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Well, a nice game from both teams. And a nice game po para sa Xavier Novali. And shout out po Sir Paulo. And the rest of the parents from both teams. This is the battle of Xavier School. Congratulations. And a nice game para sa Xavier School San Juan of winning this matchup. Our final score is 55-23. Babalik tayo para sa ating next game. Salamat po sa inyong panonood and God bless everyone and keep safe.